Pergolas make a great focal point in gardens, and there's a wide range of plants they can support. There are so many climbing plants that can be trained to climb over to get a welcome shade in warm weather. You can also use them to improve privacy and to remove dullness from any outdoor space. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best climbing plants for your pergola. Before that, please like and subscribe to support my channel, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Well, here are 5 of the best climbing plants for pergola. Number 1. Jasmine. Climbing jasmine is covered in stunning fragrant white star-shaped flowers held atop the branches from late winter to early spring, which emerge from distinctive burgundy flower buds. It has dark green foliage. The small oval pinnately compound leaves remain dark green throughout the winter. To encourage jasmine to climb, begin by planting it as close to the base of the pergola as possible. Number 2. Grapevines. Grapevines need lots of sun and warmth to form and ripen the fruit, so it is important to put them where they will produce their best crop. South or west facing is really a must. They can be trained to grow over a pergola, on a house or garden wall, over a fence or a shed, and even trained as a low hedge. The ideal time to grow grapevines is between autumn and early spring, so start planting early to make the most of the summer months. Number 3. Wisteria. Fragrant flowers such as wisteria is also a perfect climbing plant to drape over pergolas. Like bougainvillea, wisteria thrives in tropical areas. It can tolerate soil with alkaline and requires little water. Wisteria grows in various colors too, such as red and blue, and can reach as high as 25 feet. During its development stage, you will need to support it properly to your pergola. Wisteria may require regular maintenance as they can become hefty. Make sure your pergolas are made of sturdy materials to support this plant. Number 4. Butterfly pea. Butterfly pea is one of the most beautiful plants for your pergola. You can grow it easily and combine with other plants, especially with climbing roses, to get a more exquisite view. Number 5. Climbing hydrangea. Climbing hydrangeas are a beautiful addition to any home. These flowering vines will climb almost anything, turning an ordinary view into an extraordinary view when they are in bloom, although they do require some patience. Pergolas are an exceptionally great choice for the climbing hydrangea because they generally offer more support than a standard trellis does. As long as your pergola is built well, it should have no problem enduring the weight of your climbing hydrangea vines. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to support my channel, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. And see you in the next videos.